is a Belden 8410 coaxial cable that has a broken or bad conductor or bad center conductor. This whole spool had at least 3 bad spots on it. I spooled out 30 meters and the capacitance was low. And so I measured from the other end and the capacitance was, it ended up being 1/3 what it should be on one end and 2/3 on the other, which signified to me that there was a break in the center conductor. And when I measured the resistance of the center conductor, it was open, at least better than 2 gigohms, which is as high as my meter can read. So here I'm going to measure the capacitance. This is from one end of it. You'll see we're at approximately 1 nanofarad. And now I'm going to do it from the other side. If I can get my clip in there. And you'll see it's 2.89 nanofarads. So again, this cable's got a break somewhere in it. And so the next thing I'll do, I'll pause this. Okay, now I'm set up to record the resistance, and I'm going to record on the center conductor. And as you can see, it's overloaded. Okay, that's 2,000 megohms, 2 gigohms. So it is open. And one thing also that I should show is I'll measure the resistance. I'm right now at 200 ohm setting. So this is going to be measuring it on the shield. So as you can see, the shield is fine, 1.1 ohm, and this is a 30 meter length of cable. So shield is fine, center conductor is open. Okay, and this is a 10 meter length from the same spool of cable. This cable spool lot number was February 13th, 2020. So here's, okay, that's the shield. And, oops, I trimmed it kind of short. Okay, and so I hooked that up to the center conductor. See, there's nothing. Okay, and now the capacitance from one end, 1.25, 1.26. Okay, I stripped this other end a little bit more. So capacitance from the other end, 0.79, and when it's open, it's 0.6. So really 0.01. Basically, there's a break somewhere on this end of this 10 meter section. And here's the second 30 meter section of cable. I did a terrible job of stripping this, but this was doing it quick so I could get this measurement made. So here's the capacitance from one end, approximately 1.5 nanofarads. And now I'll do the capacitance from the other end. I guess I can keep the ground on the same side since the shield is continuous. That's actually a good way to show it. So there we go. 2.4 from one side, 1.5 from the other. And I'll pause for a second and measure the resistance. Okay, I'm just going to do a continuity check. Here's to the shield. Okay, that's good. And now I'll do to the center conductor. And it's open. And I'll switch this all the way to 2 gigabyte or 2 gigohms. And you'll see overloaded. So another broken center conductor. And this was all from the same spool, same lot number.